Hey guys, so today we are heading out the door so that we can go to do some fidget shopping over this way with my brother.
We're not shopping in a fidget store.
We're shopping at Bird in Hand because they had the Stardust needle and the jumbo needles and the teeny needles that are like waffles.
All the fidgets.
Yeah. So, and I'll be doing role plays of me packing packing a fidget pack for 10 people. And I will be doing more reborn videos. And on my birthday, I'm gonna get a new silicone or partial silicone, which I just want to get a partial silicone or drinking wet system. I don't know, but yeah. So just telling you guys that. And when we actually go to Bird in Hand,
Oliver, you guys don't want your sweaters?
oh, yeah. No.
No.
And
Yeah. Mask. Anyone? Mask.
To be yours.
I can just wear paper masks if they have one.
No. You need to go and get a mask, ma'am.
Here, this one.
I don't.
Here. Okay, I'll go find your brother one.
I found one.
We have way too many masks for you guys to not have a mask.
What about the mask I got from
I'll
Old
go
Navy?
get one, okay?
We do not have one.
Okay, but yeah, you guys. So, I will see you guys at Bird in Hand when we actually go fidget shopping. Bye.